In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your rear glass lift support. This is on the driver's side of your Ford Explorer. Process for the driver's side is the same as the passenger side. Now to start with, if your lift supports are weak and you go to disconnect this, the glass could come down and bonk you in the head. So take precautions as far as to hold up that glass. Maybe have a helping hand support that glass while you do this job. We're going to start with a small pocket flathead screwdriver. And on the bottom here, I want to get behind this little metal clamp right here. You want to pry this out. What we're doing is we're disconnecting this little locking clip from the ball stud back here and unlocking it from its position. Once this component is unlocked, what we can do is grab the glass and we're going to pull this out like so. In our particular case, our other lift support is in good condition, so it's supporting it for us. So we're going to come up to the other end here, and there is a pin that comes through with a little E-clip on the end here. We want to be careful with this here because these little E-clips, once you pop them out, they can shoot off and take off somewhere. I'm going to use a small pick. I'm going to try and get in here and release this off of this pin. It's a very tiny little clip, 3/4 of a circle. I want to set that down. We're going to reuse that. And there's a pin here. Push this pin out, slide that out, and remove your unit. Take the new unit and your pin. I'm going to put this up in a place, slide that pin in. And what you want to do is put this E-clip on that little groove that is in this shaft. I'm going to use a pair of needle nose pliers and pinch that into place. Just wiggle it back and forth and that lock is locked in. The next thing you want to do is we want to install our lower portion here. Now the metal clip is already in place, so when you push this on, the metal clip will automatically lock on to this stud right here. Simply push it on and it's snapped into place and you're all set. Repeat for the passenger side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.